As he puts his car on charge to our 240 rapid supercharger, pays and goes in for coffee. Inside, Jack chats with the station owner, who raves about EV-1's exceptional service. They take care of it all: supply, installation and connection to our intelligent CSMS platform. It's a seamless experience and it's as easy as a drive in the park. The owner mentions a neighbouring station with a different setup, struggling to repair his charger. Not EV-1. Our UK warranty service and repairs ensure your peace of mind. At EV-1, we're not just about profit, we're driving innovation in EV charging. Our support extends to charge point operators, corporations, startups, service stations, local authorities and the government. What we offer: we plan and supply your specific needs. Seamless installation as per your arrangement. CSMS Connection is our back office system for easy control and monitoring. UK warranty and service. Regular seminars to help you grow. But wait, there's more. We're here to help you think big. Up to 50% subsidies for a strong start. Not-for-profit 2030 scheme for local authorities and government. Earn and replenish partnership. We grow together. Full management to save on running costs. Let's work together. Easy peasy investment. Join us in charging into the future. Contact your local EV-1 representative or visit www.ev-1.co.uk.